In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Convert to Table function in Google Sheets. This is a simple feature, but it can make your spreadsheet much easier to read and work with. If you have a range of data that looks plain or unstructured, converting it to a table helps organize everything more clearly. Before you begin, make sure your data is already entered into the sheet and that you know which cells you want to include. To start, select your data. Click and drag across the full range you want to turn into a table. Take a moment here to make sure you've included everything important, such as your headers and all the related rows and columns. Being precise at this stage helps avoid having to redo the formatting later. Once your data is selected, one way to convert it is by using the top menu. Go to Format at the top of Google Sheets, then choose Convert to Table. This is a great option if you prefer using the menu bar and want a clear visual path to the feature. As soon as you click it, Google Sheets will apply the table format to your selected data range. Another method is through the right-click menu. With your data still selected, right-click anywhere inside the highlighted area. In the menu that appears, click Convert to Table. This approach can feel a little faster, especially if you are already working directly inside the sheet and want quick access without moving to the top of the screen. If you like using keyboard shortcuts, T here is also a fast way to do it. First, select your data, then press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows, or Command plus Option plus T on Mac. Shortcuts are especially helpful if you work in spreadsheets often and want to speed up repetitive tasks. No matter which method you use, the key first step is always selecting the correct data range. After the table is created, take a quick look over it to make sure everything was included properly and that the format matches your expectations. If something doesn't look right, simply reselect the correct range and try again using the same method you prefer. The nice thing about this feature is that Google Sheets gives you multiple ways to access it, so you can choose the one that feels most natural for your workflow, whether that's the menu, a right click, or a keyboard shortcut. Thanks for watching.